If you've been wanting to start a YouTube channel, but keep putting it off because you don't know what gear to buy, what to say on camera, or how to edit, this series is going to be for you. Or maybe you already have a smartphone and you're just scared to hit the red record button. In this 8-part series, I'm going to show you step by step how to go from your phone all the way to publishing your very first YouTube video. No fancy cameras, no expensive software or lighting, just simple steps that anyone can do. By the end of the series, you'll know how to research an idea, write a simple script, record, edit, create thumbnails, and finally hit the publish button. One big reason people never start is because they think their very first video's gotta be flawless and professional. The goal here is to not make a perfect video. The goal is to get your first video made and published, period. Prove that to you, this series will end with an actual finished, edited, and published video that you'll watch me create from start to finish, basically. It'll give you the video concept, the title here in a minute. It's going to be a fun one for me. Now, I'm no tech guru by any means. My name's Mike. I'm 62 years old, and I am a fellow beginner who simply decided it was finally time to figure out this whole platform. I came up with this series after talking to others who want to create but feel overwhelmed. There are plenty of individual tutorials out there, but no one takes you from the absolute start to the finish in a complete roadmap, at least not one that I've seen or that's been done recently. And I'm here to share exactly what I learn as I do it so you can copy me in the process. Here's a breakdown as it stands right now. I'll call this video episode one, basically the intro. Episode two will be finding and researching the idea. We'll dive into using a little bit of AI to research a topic, searching YouTube for relatable topics, vidIQ, and a few other things. Episode three will be writing a simple script. You can script an episode or you can generate just an outline to go by, but we'll go through those details. Episode four will be using your phone, finding a location, mic, and basic setup. So it's important to get this right, and we'll go over that all in all these videos. But episode five, recording the video. This will be where we or I will be do the actual recording. See how I get B-roll, find props, setup, and so on. So we'll be recording an actual video that will eventually get uploaded. Episode six, we'll edit the video. You can watch me fumble through the editing process from doing cuts to adding graphics and B-roll. Episode seven, we'll work on title and thumbnail, do more research and narrow down what the final one will be. It's advised that you start there first before you do the video and do the research, but I think that skill comes a little bit later on in your journey, which is why I'm kind of placed it here near the end. And then episode eight will be uploading and publishing, getting the video on YouTube and which settings, et cetera, need to be accomplished for that. At the end, you'll see the final video uploaded in all its glory to prove to you that you don't need a massive topic or a Hollywood budget or equipment to make a great video. The final project of this series is going to be a simple, maybe 5 or 10 minute video about the unique town that I live in, Bristol, Tennessee. Bristol is unique because we can literally stand on State Street with one foot in Tennessee and the other foot in the state of Virginia. The official home of country music is here in Bristol, along with probably the most spectacular NASCAR track on the circuit, the famous Bristol Motor Speedway. It's Bristol, baby. If you don't know, that's a slogan used around here and in NASCAR when talking about the Speedway here. Anyway, if I can turn a simple walk through my local street into an engaging video using just my phone, you can do it with your passion too. Here's a quick look at the equipment that I'll be using along the way. I'm going to be using my iPhone 17 Pro Max, whatever it is. Um, I'll be using the DJI mini mics and a simple handheld tripod, kind of a selfie stick. To keep things easy, I'll also show you how I use basic tools like ChatGPT, vidIQ, and Google AI for video titles, research, and then I'll use Riverside for simple editing. You don't need the exact same setup, you just need a desire to learn. If this sounds like exactly what you've been looking for, hit the like button, subscribe, drop a comment below telling me what kind of channel you want to start. I'm dropping a new episode every week. I may try to do 2 in a week, but there will be at least 1 every week during the series. For more information to help you get started, check out these videos, get you warmed up for what's coming over the course of the next 7 weeks. Remember, monetize your passion and you'll fund your future. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. I'm excited to get this one started. We'll see you.